Hi students, I'm going to walk you through the engagement score in case you have questions. So you'll navigate to the week that you're in, and I'm going to do week 1 engagement score. And then once you select it, it gives you some information about the 4 areas. So course access, assignment submissions, student-teacher communication, and participation. So the way you get, it's 1 point for each criteria, but if you go to the quiz and you're going to start it, Question 1, to get the point for course access, you just have to tell me true or false, did you log in this week? And if you're completing this assignment, then you have definitely logged in, so you can hit true. Question number 2 is assignment submission. So we want you to submit at least 1 assignment this week. So this assignment would count. Hopefully you've submitted other assignments this week, but you would hit true or false. Question number 3 is participation in live sessions. So if you're able to attend the live Zoom, I will record your attendance for my personal records. But during that session, you will also be getting a candy of the day, because who doesn't like candy? And you will just enter in that response here. I'm not looking for spelling or anything. As long as I can recognize the word, you'll earn the point. If you're not able to attend the live Zoom, then you'll watch the video recording to get some information that we discussed, and you'll also see that candy of the day. So whether you attend the live Zoom or not, I would love to see you, but you will be able to earn this 1 point for the assignment. And then the last criteria is student-teacher communication. So basically, if you prefer, you can put your questions on this. You can put comments on this. Tell me if you really like something, if you want me to maybe improve something. There's no right or wrong answer. If you don't have anything to say, tell me to have a great weekend. You can put anything you want. So I just need some type of response, but this is to kind of help you and me communicate. If you don't want to email me or get on the live Zooms with me or do something, I still do want to hear from you, okay? So go ahead and fill that out, and then you submit it. And because I have to check some of these answers, the last 2 answers, I will be finalizing your grade. So you should see that within 24 to 48 hours, okay? All right, because this is due for the week, you will need to submit this by by Friday at midnight, okay? After Friday night at midnight, this assignment will not be available. It will go away and you'll not be able to complete it. All right, so just make sure you have this assignment filled out before Friday of the current week. All right, good luck.